With over 1 million token holders, Shiba Inu looks set for great things ahead despite trading more than 50% below its all-time high. Shiba Inu has been decreasing alongside a descending resistance line since October 28. At the time, it has just reached an all-time high price of 880 Satoshi units. So what happened recently? Why price is dropping over day? Can we see an uptrend soon? These questions will be answered today. Further, we will also discuss a Satoshi Medium post about all upcoming projects. So stick around for that because today's video is full of price boosting Shiba Inu updates. So let's get started. Despite the recent turbulence and decline in demand in comparison to just a few months ago, Shiba Inu's user base has grown to 1 million dwellers. Shortly after the team outlined the news, the native token surged by double digits, but it has retraced once more. This 1 million milestone comes at an intriguing time in which the demand for the meme coin seems to be fading. As reported earlier this week, the number of Google searches has slumped as the price is more than 50% down from the 80 as charted last month. But this 1 million holder milestone was appreciated by Shiba Inu. News of the milestone and daily price increases has energized the Shiba Inu community since the official Shiba Inu Twitter account tweeted a shout out late on Thursday. Such a proud and amazing milestone for the SHIB army. SHIB reached 1 million holders. Today we all cheers and celebrate this great moment in SHIB's history. Before moving to the Satoshi's update, let's quickly discuss the recently crypto exchange listing we got. Bitfinex Derivatives listed Shiba Inu with USDT paired regular contracts for trading on Tuesday. And South Korean exchange Korbit has been accepting deposits and she was scheduled to start trading at 3 a.m. UTC. This makes Korbit the first Korean exchange to list Shiba Inu. On the other hand, its rival Dogecoin is currently the only other meme coin available to trade on the big four exchanges that still operate legally in South Korea: Upbit, BitHub, Coin1 and Korbit. SHIB is one of the most popular meme coins on the market today, behind only Doge. Both are among the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Moving further, the most awaited Satoshi updates are here. This makes everything clear what developers are coming within near future and on what projects they are working on currently. The Medium post is full of major updates, but we found a few things worth discussing. The first one is Shiba Inu games and the second is Metaverse. He mentioned the only way to create a 7-figure game that is worthy of 1 million friends of Shibs is to find a perfectly fitting AAA studio and build it with them. We scrolled the internet and sent out messages to multiple studios who basically ignore us. We are now under a mutual NDA. This NDA is vital to us having a competitive advantage over all the other gaming, metaverse and NFT system clones that will pop up the moment I hit send. He added Satoshi also gave the lead charge of this game development. He mentioned that William David Volk will be the one who will work as lead charge. I am happy to announce that the consultant who will lead the charge for the Shiba Inu games version of the Shiboshi game is none other than William David Volk. The second major update was about Metaverse. As per his Medium update, he mentioned that just my humble opinion, but I haven't been a fan of the word metaverse since it was in use way before the guys over at Facebook Incorporated decided to steal. Use it. However, the idea of having a VR world where people can interact and basically live is a concept I personally adore. It's not new either. A Second Life, Sims and other were around well before anything we see on this bull run for this simple esoteric term. The Shiba Inu core devs have been discussing for weeks the best way to implement this concept on Shibarium. And of course it is already in the works. However, I believe for a metaverse to be more than a bent infinity symbol and way to interact your data It must provide real value to users, and to do so requires a contained foundation that is built prior to the release of the technology. And what's why we are working on so many aspects of Shiba Inu, including Ethereum, ShibaNet, and decentralized Shiboshi incubator, and much more that won't become evident until the near future. What are your thoughts about this? Well, these projects help Shiba Inu to bounce back and hit a new high soon. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.